Which animal comes to mind when you hear the word bananas? Indeed, the monkey. These guys are famous for their love of nature's candy bar, but it's not just bananas. Monkeys seem to crave the entire cornucopia of sweet fruit. But wait, in tropical forests lives a monkey that will blow this common sense notion to sweet, fruity little bits. This guy doesn't eat bananas or any other sweet fruits like apples or pineapples. In fact, if one of them were to consume these kinds of sweet fruits, it could put their health in jeopardy. Are you excited to meet our fascinating new friend? A new adventure into the secrets of the banana-blaspheming monkey. Let's get started. Our guest for today is the proboscis monkey, aka Nasalis larvatus. The males have drooping 10-centimeter long noses that rise when the monkeys perform their bugle-like call. Their appearance is quite unique, and they've got a diet to match. These guys find sweet fruits intolerable. Biology professor Ramesh Boonratana of the Taiwanese Mahidong University revealed that proboscis monkeys' diets mainly consist of leaves and seeds with the occasional carefully vetted unripe fruit. In addition, Dr. Ike Matsuda of Kyoto University in Japan discovered that proboscis monkeys consume a diet of around 66% young leaves, 26% fruits, and 8% flowers. And of the fruits they did consume, 90.4% of them were unripe. Funnily enough, even when the monkeys did eat a ripe piece of fruit, they often scraped off the fruit's flesh and ate only the seeds. But isn't that odd? I mean, a ripe fruit usually has loads more nutrients than its seeds. So why did the proboscis monkey acquire these eating habits? Evolutionary biologists point to food competition. To survive the fierce competition for food in the forests of Borneo, due to its 10 or so primate species, proboscis monkeys evolved to eat not very nutritious, but very abundant and easy to find, leaves. Evolving in this direction, these monkeys now have cellulose decomposing bacteria in their gut, which can digest the walls of plant cells. As humans don't have these kinds of bacteria, vegetables we eat usually pass through us largely intact. By contrast, the proboscis monkey's cellulose decomposing bacteria have no trouble digesting tree leaves. Although, these bacteria struggle with breaking down sugar found in fruits, which is why proboscis monkeys can get indigestion or even die from eating sweet fruit. According to data gathered by the Korea Research Institute of Bioscience and Biotechnology's National Primate Research Center, if proboscis monkeys eat fruits high in sugar, the acidity of their stomach acid changes dramatically, leading to rapid fermentation. This can cause the digestive system to fill with gas and, in serious cases, put the monkey's life at risk. On a more cheerful note, people have found that if you feed a captive proboscis monkey fruits from when they are young, the bacteria living in their gut biome changes, allowing them to safely eat fruits as adults. Fascinating creatures, aren't they? But the truth is, these aren't the only monkeys that don't eat ripe fruits. The old world monkeys living in Africa and Asia, which belong to the subfamily Clubini, like the snub-nosed monkeys and gray langurs, usually prefer to eat young leaves and seeds while rejecting sweet fruits. Another fascinating fact is that these leaf-loving monkeys lack the cheek pouches other monkeys use to store food. This is probably because leaves are so easy to find that the monkeys don't need storage space in their cheeks to survive. Apparently, competition for food isn't too harsh for these fellows. On the other hand, this means that monkeys with cheek pouches generally have to compete for food. Perhaps the notion that all monkeys like sweet fruit is a result of how monkeys are generally portrayed. Baboons eat fruit, but on occasion ingest tree roots or use their sharp canines to hunt small animals like rabbits. Also, the bamboo lemur eats like a panda, subsisting almost exclusively off of bamboo. And pygmy marmoset diets mainly consist of plant gum, which is like sap, resin, and etc. In South America, the titi monkey mainly eats fruits and leaves, but has no problem with eating spiders or insects. All of these examples illustrate that monkeys have dietary habits adapted to their environment. This also goes to show that science can be a wonderful tool to shatter any deep-rooted biases we may have, which is why we end today's video with the following words. Science is a window to the world. This has been Science Dream. Thank you for watching.